today we are going to start our second session of a binary number. As in the previous class we studied that how to convert decimal into binary number system. Now today we study that how to convert binary number into a decimal number system. So here I can take an example that the digit is the 10 and its binary number is the 2. Here we have to convert the binary into a decimal number system. So students, we should write this type and write it from the right to the left side. Like here we have to write the 0 and it raised to power 2 and it raised to power 0. Same we have to write it as a 1. It means 2 raised to power 1. Here I know that we should write it that 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 0 and 2 raised to power 1 and multiply by 1. So student, we should always remember one thing in mind, that we should write it from the right to the left side. So here we can solve that 2 raised to power 0 is the 1 and multiply by same 0. Here 2 raised to power 1 is the 2 and multiply by 1. Now we have to solve it. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 plus 0 multiplied by 1 is the 1. So is the 0. Now we can add it. So our answer is the 2. So our final answer is that 2 raised to power 10 is the final answer. So in this way we have to convert the binary number into a decimal number system. Now students, I am taking another example that how to convert the binary number into a decimal number system. So here is an example. This is the binary number and we should have to convert the binary number into a decimal number system. So here we should write to start from the right side. So it means 2 raised to power 0. That is, we have take 0. 0 means 2 raised to power 1. Again we can take 0. 2 raised to power 2. Again we can take 1. Here 2 raised to power 1. And here number is the 1. So 2 raised to power is the. So here I can take a number 1 and I have write it to 2 raised to power 4. Now I can solve this. So we can start to solve it from this side. So here it is written that 1 into 2 raised to power 0. Why? 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 raised to power 2 is. Now we should write this 0 into 2 raised to power 2. Now the turn of this, that we should write it 1 into 2 raised to power 3. Now the turn of this number, it should be write this 1 into 2 raised to power 4. So with the help of this we can solve it. Now I can explain it that 2 raised to power 0 is the 0, 2 raised to power 1 is the 1, 2 raised to power 2 is the 2, 2 raised to power 3 is the 3 and 2 raised to power 2 is the 4. Now we can solve it. So we can start to solve from this side. How we can solve it? 2 raised to power 0 is the 1. So we should write it 1 into 1 plus 2 raised to power 1 is the 2. So we should write it 2 plus 2 raised to power 4 is the 4. So we should write like this. Now come to this term. 2 raised to power 3 is the. Now the turn of this number. So how we can write this? 2 raised to power 3 is the 8. So we should write this 1 into 8 plus 2 raised to power 4 is the 16. So we should write it 1 into 16. Now we can solve this. How we can solve this? We can start to solve. Now students, we have to solve from this side. Why? Because we always start from the right side. So 1 ones are 1 plus 2 zeros are 0 plus 4 zeros are 0 plus 1 8 is 8 plus 1 16 is 16. Now we can add these two and now our answer is the 25. So students, so here the answer is the 25. So dear students, we should write the answer here is the 25. So in this way we can convert the binary number system into a decimal number system.